How to make money online in 2024. I tried it and it worked. You see, I'm already at $122. And watch this full video because you can see that it's working and we earn this. And I can refresh the page. You can see updated 1 minute ago. If I scroll up, this is called WarriorPlus. You see my username there in the right corner in the red. You have sales over here, 52 sales. All right, so I go over here, you're gonna see, go to wallet, and right now I have a pending of $122. I did have some withdrawals, and you can see there's a pending of commissions. Yesterday is $89.91. All right, and there's some $60 and pending, $15. And here's a resident withdrawal, $118, $94. Complete withdrawal, $73. All right, so that's just in this little period. And if you want to learn how to exactly do this, start making money, you can instantly withdraw after it completes into your bank account or your PayPal account that what I use and choose. Watch this full video. We're going to show you how to use this marketplace called WarriorPlus, and you can get your free account. Click the link. Go to the website WarriorPlus.com. Sign up your account. You can see yesterday I made $97.61, and already 7 days, 122. 30 days we already at all right, $40. All right, very simple. You want to sign up, and then you want to find a product to promote. Now this is the fastest way. There's other ways, methods I can show you. If you're on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and you're going to be notified when I post my updates, how we can increase and scale it and send traffic to your funnel, collect leads, and once the funnel is happening, you're going to make sales while you sleep. Okay, we can increase the sales. So these are products that are hot right now. You see over your sales. This is a hot product. It's called Secret Email System. All right, this is a hot product you can start with. You're in 100% commission. Get your fill link. You're gonna go here. It says get link, but right now yours gonna say request if you're new. So just for the example, you click here, request approval. You're gonna write a note right here. All right, to get approval, and you're gonna click request offer. So what I'm gonna do is put that request note in the description of the video. All right, so I gotta just click on see more in the description of the video to look for the request notes that I put in. All right, and then you click on request, and it's gonna be in pending mode. All right, and you're gonna be able to come back. You're gonna receive an email saying approve, and just like here where it says get link. All right, and then these are links. Sometimes you can change different pages that it looks like. You're just gonna click on it and preview it. All right, this is your fill link. All right, so then now you're ready to send traffic. But as you can see, there's a bunch of offers. You come down here, check them out, and get approved for as many as you like. All right, so also here's another tip. You go to sort by. It's already on score, but you want to get to biggest, highest paydays. All right, so this can take some time. You just gotta make some sales on lower, and then eventually you come over here and you go to AVG sale. You're gonna click on the dot where it says AVG sale. All right, click on search, and what's gonna bring it up is gonna bring high ticket offers that may approve you to pay you big, up to $1,000 commission. All right, $997. All right, these are 50% commission. Some on 55% commission. Come over here, and you can apply for higher ticket offers to get approved on. All right, the same thing happens. You come over here, you're going to request your link, get your link. All right, and you can chance to make bigger commission. All right, so very simple. So I already have my offer, and I'm gonna stick to the offer. I'm gonna promote our offer, and I'm gonna show you what I did to make the $97 commission. All right, you just seen it. All right, the $97 commission. So once you get your link, all right, you want to start promoting it to this traffic. Now, some people are gonna say, "What's the offer? What's the offer? Show me the offer." All right, you're just gonna find those offers in the affiliate page. But once you join, I recommend get the website traffic service that I recommend, and we're gonna hand you all the products that I promote inside our Facebook group. All right, once you join our team, you can get invited to the Facebook group, and this is where our members are sharing their methods and what products they're promoting. So I look for action takers that actually get the service that I'm using to promote my link, and I'm only spending $1 per day per account to promote my affiliate links. So if you can afford $1 per day, all right, you can use the service to promote your feelings. Just let it run, keep your service active, and you can start using it to make more profits. So $1 per day, and you can see yesterday already $97. Okay. Okay, so what I want you to go to this website, automatedtrafficsoftware.com, and you're gonna watch this full video, and all you're gonna do is enter your best email. It says yes, let me in. You're gonna apply for this service, or say I'm using the same service, only spending $1 per day per account. You get more accounts, as many as you want, with different emails, which is gonna be increasing your traffic and the amount of clicks going to your affiliate links that generate sales. So however, you just watch this video, do as it says, put your email here, and then go through the funnel. It's gonna walk you through the process to get set up. All right, and then you're gonna come back here. You're gonna do exactly what I'm gonna show you right now. All right. So this is the first step. Is go to this website, get the service, apply, do everything as it says. All right, and then come back and watch as I show you now with this service. Okay, this is a service we highly recommend it. It's the secret of making money. They're gonna give you the source to promote your feelings. All you gotta do is send it through the system, and the system does the job, and you get sales. You wake up and you check your emails, and then eventually it just magically appear. All right, so what I'm gonna do is going to show you proof. Log in to account one. Here's account one. Been a member since 2019. You can see you get bonus leads. I just reactivated my account. I got extra 200 bonus leads. Usually get 100 to 200 leads per day. Now I just received extra 200 bonus leads. All right, you can see the traffic coming in through. All right, and all we're doing is mailing the leads. All right, and the clicks come through. All right, so you want to show your proof. All right, so let's go back, and we're going to go to our WarriorPlus results, and we're going to find the email that I sent that generated the $97 commission. All right, so live, I'm going to go here to we're going to go to transactions. Let me scroll down, and for this offer, you can pick up this offer, trying to get approved. All right, partner profits. You can see the sales came in January 12, 2024, brand new. There's some other sales on January the 10th. So for that day, you can see the sales that is tracking $9.95 and $98.58. Total earning $240, all down here with these tracking IDs. We can find each email that I send, that this system give me these leads to email to make money to promote my feeling. And this one was on January the 10th. All right, on my first account. All right, and this was on the third account when you see the number 3. All right, but you can see a lot of the first accounts. All right, so it's going to show you that email 0110 to 24. All right, 2110 to 2124. Scroll down here, promoting different offer. This right here in the bottom of my signature, if I click on this button, you can see the WarriorPlus MLS 011024. Alright, this is the link that's right on this button. You're able to put buttons in a clickable text. Alright, so this is my proof that this service works, and we have tons of more proof. So like I said, click on the website, apply. I can show you how to create your emails, and people that sign up, you can get copy of bonus to my emails. And what I'm doing for special 24 is giving away my training. Alright, the people actually get activated, stay long. I give away my training. Alright, so click on the link, get activated. Alright, it's promoting multiple products. Alright, very simple. They give you the people, these are real people from USA. Click on the icon, the date, names, emails, address, city, state, postal code, country. Most will have live in the United States with verified credit card. Alright, verified credit card, PayPal card in United States, UK. But most sales we see coming from United States from these leads. If you want to earn commissions, like I'm doing sharing, you can earn commissions. Alright, you get paid, and you can withdraw straight to your PayPal account, bank account, or Bitcoin. Alright, total or extra $534. Alright, in this account, already paid $510. And still you're helping other people to promote the affiliate offers, affiliate links, and you still getting sales using the service. So like I said, use this service right now. This previous email on today, January 13th, send this out. We had 44 clicks. Alright, we could be expecting sales coming in today. Alright, so go ahead and get this service. Click the links in the video. Like I said, first link is going to take you to the whole presentation of more in depth of this service, how you can make more money with this. Alright, and the software that we use to create the website. Alright, which is optional. Alright, so thanks for watching my video. Just want to show you this real proof real quick. This service does work. It generates sales. And once again, before I go, let's show you some more testimonials and some more proof in the group. Alright, so this is the group right here. Over 5,600 members, active members right now. They're getting very happy generating sales. You can see other papers are sharing the service, generating new commissions. These are monthly commissions you earn as your team stay active. Alright, even more commissions here. You can see another member made $32.79. Alright, on the WarriorPlus, like I just example show you, you can see the tracking links they are using. You can put whatever link at the end of your affiliate links, and it's going to track where you're posted. Alright, you can see here my notification of $97.61 that I just showed you the proof of making these sales at the same time, 12:33, and the amount of traffic for this offer is 16 clicks turn into 2 sales. Sometimes you can get good amount of sales with a little amount of traffic, or it's going to take more traffic to get pure sales. Okay, it all depends on the day and the person that received your email. See my first sale of the month on the ClickBank, and it keeps going. This is very active. It's getting more active. You can see all these members making these commissions. 4 days ago, $38. Same thing on WarriorPlus. Results in a typical. More commissions, sharing the system. Here's again, same Carl. He also made of these commissions here. One here, I made another ClickBank commission. This is 2 days ago. Alright, and I made more commissions here. I'm already got paid $118 that I withdraw that I show you. So it is happening, guys. It keeps on activating. $23. This is how you're gonna promote your fillings. The easiest way is just send the email they give you. Send blast the email what the system give you. They give you the leads to give you, like a done for you system for beginners. All right, done for you system. Keep going. It just keep going. Where you ready to start? All right, $1 per day. All right. So just head over to my website, get set up. All right, and then follow these simple instructions. Get in the group, and I'm gonna send you special emails to your email that you use on this page only. All right. So thanks for watching my videos. Get set up, and I'll see you on my next video of more about the Quanta Club review. Peace.